innovation is the development of novel antibiotic adjuvant entity. There is no single antibiotic available as on date which can cater to all different types of mechanisms of resistance which are exhibited by bacteria. Alloris has been designed out of this technology for the first time to cater all such different mechanisms by a single product. This product not only prevents biofilm development, it breaks biofilms effectively, it prevents efflux pump, means the drug inside the bacteria is retained for a longer period of time and hence the antibiotic can be effective in bacterial killing. It makes the bacterial membrane porous so that the bacteria, the more drug enters inside the bacteria and bacteria can be killed effectively. And similarly, it not only controls the resistance, it also prevents development of resistance, which is the major I would say USP of this product, because only cure is not required, prevention is also required. The product has been proved for its safety and efficacy by a series of clinical and non-clinical trials at human and animal studies, and product Alloris has long-term benefit in terms of reducing treatment time down to 50%, reducing treatment cost almost down to 40 to 50% in comparison to the conventional therapies being used in ICU for gram-negative infections, and it also helps in faster bed turnover of the patients in hospitals. It helps in reduced number of loss of man hours due to hospitalization, and hence the total impact of direct drug therapy cost, including hospitalization and indirect cost of medical treatment therapy, is reduced drastically to the extent of approximately 80% especially in regulated markets like Europe and US.